Welcome, little artists! Let's see what magic pencil will draw today. Look! It's Magic Pencil! Hello, Magic Pencil! Magic Pencil is ready. Can you guess what it will draw? Wow! Magic Pencil drew a perfect straight line. That looks easy. I drew a straight line. Great job, Mino! Woohoo! Now it's your turn, little artists. Can you draw a straight line just like this? Did you finish? Give yourself a big clap. Fantastic, little artists! Wow! Our straight line became a bridge! Every amazing picture starts with one simple line. What kind of line is that? Can you guess what we'll learn next? See you next time, little artists!